Tito Arenas of Barangay Matulong, Manawag, Pangasinan. Outstanding fish culture, Mr. Tomas Hotea, Barangay
Rural Bank of Bulacan. You are receiving a 150 billion peso of loans from the Land Bank during our administration. The ultimate goal of land reform is to fight poverty by providing the incentive and the means for the farmers to be more productive. Kaya, malaki rin ang kanyang papel. Congratulations.